comes Mr. Sean Logan. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Dropping it in backwards. Nice tail tap up in the ramp. Let's check this out. Look at that fakie with the tail tap. Just making it look easy. Nice little 180 alley-oop. 360 off the side. Alright, Steve Woodward coming at you. Tail tap to fakie. Right on. What do you guys think of these lift tricks? You guys like that? Freestyle bike running on the edge of that. Right there.
What's lunch today?
We're going to keep it going. Make these guys work really hard for you guys this morning. Nice and clean. Nice trick right there from Steve. Look at that. And a 180 fakie. Yeah, he pulled it off. Nice and clean. Nice job, Steve. See what Sean can do for you guys. Sean up there on the back wheel. 360. Should we let him stop or keep it going? What do you guys think? 180 to 180 to we might give him a rebate, a little refund on that one and try it again. You guys want to see this one? Let's make some noise. See if Steve can do it. 180 to 180. Pull it off, second try. All right, how about one more lift trick from each of these guys? Last trick here in round number 1. Here comes Sean. Let's make some noise for Sean. Here we go. Dropping in, back over to the quarter pipe. Hey! All right, Sean. Nice. And one more from Steve Woodward. Let's make some noise for Steve. What's he gonna do? On the side of the ramp. Yeah, let's hear it for both of these guys. Nice run.